Excuse us, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2.
So the HomePod. The HomePod has been criticized by so many YouTubers, by so many creators, by so many bloggers. You call it. They've complained about the lack of features in Siri, the lack of support with Spotify, and so much more. So people make it seem that the HomePod is a horrible device. And I'm here to say no. If you're an Apple sheep and if you're really into the Apple ecosystem, if you have Apple Music, the HomePod might be the most perfect speaker ever. Yo, what's up, my Apple Watch Bro family? And today is the day because today we are reviewing the new Apple HomePod.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
See, as I said, reviewers are making it seem like the HomePod is not the best device. And when I got this thing, I was really amazed. I mean, the quality of this thing, which we're gonna get into that later, is truly amazing. So let's start things off with the most disappointment by most people, Spotify support with Siri. And no, Siri on the HomePod does not support Spotify. So you will not be able to say, Siri, play me some music from Spotify. It will not work. One thing, which by the way, if you guys haven't checked out my Apple Music versus Spotify video, I definitely encourage you to do that. Definitely watch that and you will understand me, what I'm saying right now. If you have a HomePod, just get Apple Music. Well, Nikki, is I have all my playlists in Spotify and I don't want to move. I like Spotify. There's a bunch of apps and a bunch of programs on the Mac, for example, that transfer all your playlists onto Apple Music. So if you're worried about losing your playlist, losing your songs, there's a bunch of programs. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to teach you how to do that. If you have a HomePod, just switch to Apple Music. I mean, Apple Music is amazing and, you know, you will actually have Siri with HomePod. Just do it. I'm not trying to act like an Apple fanboy, but come on, if you bought a $300 smart speaker, just get Apple Music because it will make your life much easier. A lot of people were freaking out. Apple, why would you do this? Why would you not let us bring Spotify to our HomePod? Well, if you think about it, Google did the same thing with the Google Home and the Google Home Mini and the Google Home Max. I mean, we are not able to play Apple Music on the Google Home Mini or in the Google Home. It's the same thing. And everybody was freaking out and everybody was like screaming at Apple for doing it. Every company has its own way of doing things. The next thing that people were really complaining about the HomePod is Siri. Because as you guys know, Siri is not the smartest voice assistant out there. And I agree with that. I mean, if you compare it to Amazon Alexa or the Google Home, you know, you can ask the Google Home anything. In my opinion, the Google Home voice assistant is honestly the best. When I had it on my Google Home Mini, it was super smart. I could ask it anything and it would reply to me. For example, when did Steve Jobs die? Anything you want to ask, the Google Home would reply. Well, how did Google accomplish this? Well, mostly if you ask the Google Home, most of the things, like for example, when did Steve Jobs die? It's basically just looking it up on Wikipedia. So it's just a matter of a fact that Apple would bring an update, bringing Wikipedia to the HomePod basically, and it would make it the HomePod much smarter. By no means I'm saying that if Apple brought Wikipedia to Siri, it would make Siri perfect. I'm not saying that at all. But I mean, it would definitely improve it. What I'm saying is that if Apple was just one software update, this is going to be solved and there's not going to be like, Siri is stupid, Siri is stupid. Which, by the way, a lot of people say that Siri is stupid. I don't consider Siri stupid. It's actually pretty useful if you learn how to use it. It can do all your calendar stuff, music stuff, text messages. It's pretty useful. And once again, Apple is not stupid. I mean, Apple knows that Siri is not the smartest one in the market right now. So I'm sure they're working on it. And in iOS 12, they're probably going to fix it and make Siri perfect. Now, the sound of the HomePod is absolutely incredible. I mean, I've never heard a smart speaker sound this good. I mean, just listen to it. Hey, Siri, play some music. Siri?
I'm on it.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, you're being a little bit slow. Hey Siri, turn up the volume to 100%.
That's very loud. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, Siri. I changed my mind. It sounds so good, guys. Hey Siri, stop! It's just very good. And with Siri not being the smartest, when you hear this, when you hear the sound, you totally forget on how Siri has to improve. The sound of this thing, once again, amazing. The bass, I said on the unboxing, the bass, everything. It's so perfect. And lastly, the design. The design of the HomePod, in my opinion, is absolutely beautiful. By the way, if you guys haven't seen the HomePod, it's right there. It's before there was this Star Wars helmet, which I'm pretty sad that it's being replaced. I guess I'm going to the Death Star now. Peace out, guys. Now, on the serious note, though, the design of it, I love it because it's so minimalist and it fits Apple so well. The HomePod has a high excursion woofer, 6 microphone array, and a 7 tweeter array. So basically, what does that mean? It sounds very good. So anyways, the final thoughts of the HomePod. Should you buy the HomePod if you have Spotify? Yes, just switch off to Apple Music. Once again, guys, Apple Music is amazing and you can just transfer all your playlists to Apple Music in just a matter of seconds. So don't worry about that. Get the HomePod. The quality is amazing. If you have Apple Music, don't even think about it. And if you have the whole Apple ecosystem, if you have HomeKit devices, just I wish I could just bring this HomePod and put it in front of your face and press play and just hear amazing it sounds. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, what are your thoughts on the HomePod? Do you guys have a HomePod? What do you guys think of Spotify versus Apple Music? Let's have a party in the comment section down below. I will reply to all of the questions that you guys ask me. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Siri, say bye.
Goodbye guys, make sure to subscribe to this guy, I love him.
Peace.